Hi there, my name's Anthony. I'm going to show you how to build a mini Tesla coil. Here's most everything you're going to need. 30 gauge copper wire, also 22 gauge copper wire, a 22 Kelvin ohm resistor, and a 2N222 transistor, on-off switch, a 9-volt battery cable, 9-volt battery, soldering iron, and some solder. First, you're going to do 300 turns minimum on a non-conducting tube, so plastic or PVC, and then you're going to tape it, just scotch tape around it, and then you're going to do 4 to 5 turns of the 22 gauge wire on the bottom, leaving these pieces open. You're going to have one wire sticking out the top of the 28 gauge or 30 gauge and one out the bottom. Next, you're going to want to solder the transistor and resistor in the middle, right there. Next, you're going to solder the 30 gauge wire on the bottom to this middle piece on the transistor. Just like that. Next, you're going to take 22 gauge wire and solder it to the third prong over here on the transistor. Okay, now we're going to solder part of the 9-volt wiring cable to one side of this light switch. Okay, next you're going to want to take the black wire from the 9-volt case and attach it to the first prong of the transistor. Okay, for the final soldering, we're going to take the leftover wire coming from the switch, connect it to the resistor, this bottom resistor, and this leftover wire from the 22 gauge copper. Both of them will connect to the resistor on the bottom. Okay, here's the final piece. Now we just need to hook in the battery and get a CFL bulb to test it out.